get a start. The government must make adequate arrangements to sell fruits and vegetables through consumer shops and other outlets. This problem is very acute in cities taking advantage of cold storage facilities. The big wholesalers store these items and retail them bit by bit into the market and make huge profit. There is a monitoring cell in the civil supplies department, but more effective steps will have to be taken to control the prices. Now I come to some of the problems of my state, Kerala. The distribution of rice and palm oil is not being done properly in the state. This is causing a lot of problems to the public. This only shows that the state government is not managing the distribution properly. It is not enough that they get supplies. Fair distribution has also to be ensured. That is a duty of the state government which is not being discharged by that government. However, I take this opportunity to demand that Kerala should be given 2 lakh tonnage of rice and 10,000 tonnage of palm oil per month, and adequate quantity of kerosene and sugar should also be supplied. I would also request the government to see whether the food grains and other items supplied by the center are being distributed properly. There is a tendency in the present left front government in Kerala to mismanage the distribution and put the blame on the center. So the central government should be very vigilant about it. Similarly, under the present practice, 50% of the ration is subsidized by the center. I have a suggestion to make in this regard. This subsidized ration should be supplied to them at a time. Otherwise, they are not in a position to buy it, and the shopkeeper will take all the benefits of the subsidy. The public distribution system in Kerala has been widely acclaimed, but the state government is not doing anything to strengthen it. This is evident from the fact that the state government has made only a very small token provision in the budget for the public distribution system. This is a politically motivated step, because if the public distribution system fails, they can always put the blame on the center. I would therefore request the center to meet fully the requirements of Kerala for food grains and other essential commodities like kerosene and edible oil, and strengthen the public distribution system in that state.